Hello creative people. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do another review of the metallic watercolor that I found on Shopee, and I thought it was so cute that I decided to buy 2 packs. I bought 2 boxes. I'm going to talk about one at a time. This is the Dededepraise brand's watercolor. I don't understand anything that's written here, but it says on the back that it's non-toxic. It's a watercolor made with glitter. It comes with the colors that are inside the box, and it's for children over 3 years old, and it's made in China. The box opens like a little drawer, the same thing as that non-toxic 6-color box. They are very pretty colors at first glance. It is an acrylic box and also opens like a little drawer. I saw some reviews that apparently in the past these tablets came loose. Nowadays the pans come inside a niche but are still loose. I mean that they no longer swing around in the box, as I had seen in previous reviews. Let's open it. Some people use this lid as a cup. I don't recommend it. It's very pretty and it will get your lid dirty. If you turn it over, it falls off. It's completely loose, a tablet. At least these colored ones are very dry. The golden ones have a little more binder. But these ones here are very dry. So I'm going to activate them now and we're going to do a test. I'm not going to do an expansion test with metallic watercolor, because it's unlikely to expand. It's not made for that. And neither is it for mixing colors. It's not made for that kind of thing. It's more of a homogenization. So let's just activate it now. While it's activating, I'll be arranging the rest here. For those who don't know, metallic watercolor needs to be activated a little in advance so it can release the colors. Especially since it's made with glitter. So I suggest that anyone who's using metallic watercolor should do this when they start to arrange things so they can paint. Activate it first, leave it in a corner and wait. We'll start here with the metallic colors. For me it's a little out of order, but I'm going to put the metallic colors in the order you see when you leave it activated. Look how it releases from the palette. Look how it released the colors, how beautiful. It spread very well, both in the metallic, it released the colors a lot, and in the metallic colored one. It also released the colors. You can see it shine, it's quite glittery, it's spread, they're slightly opaque, which is what you'd expect from a metallic watercolor, because it's normally going to cover another watercolor. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to do it here in the corner so we can see if there's any expansion. I don't think there will be. Let's take this one. As I imagined, very little, almost nothing. It's possible to do an interesting work. You can make a background with this type of expansion, but it's very little expansion. Let's see if the colors mix. There's a slight greenish tint here, you can see it. But I don't consider it a mix. It's a gradient of the blue watercolor with the metallic yellow. Here it's a little purple. No, I try to mix it with it. I think I would use it pure, especially because the colors are very pigmented and beautiful. Let's make a drawing here. To make the art, I'm going to try to make the same art with two different papers, a white paper and a black paper. Let's see how it turns out. So let's get started. The first drawing made with watercolor on black paper was very shiny. You can see the movement. I liked the first painting done, the first test. I thought it was very vivid. On the black paper there are some flaws that the watercolor didn't cover properly. This is normal with metallic watercolor, this kind of thing, which is supposed to give it charm. Let's try to make the same drawing, but now on white paper. Let's see how it turns out to make the drawing on white paper. I'll use other colors. Also, because I think that if I use white here it won't show up. But we'll test white at some point. All done, our drawing and painting on white paper are finished. Look, to my surprise, it also came out a very bright color. In the chosen colors, the metallic color can be seen with beautiful art, even in the dots that we make on the paper. It was very pretty to put them here next to each other. Just for comparison, look at the shine on the black paper, very shiny, very pretty. And the shine on the white paper, also very shiny, very pretty. I think it's worth it. It was very easy. After it was ready to be removed from the inside. From the palettes, it was very easy to remove the beautiful pigment, the way it made the transparency. Look how beautiful this transparency is here. Very beautiful the way it made the transparency. I think it looks very beautiful work done with it. I thought it was very pretty. This one is already dry. Let's see if it comes off. Texture. In the colored ones it's smooth. In the metallic ones you can feel the glitter well. But it's not very rough, it's also smooth. Let's see if it comes off on your hand. Rubbing it will come off, obviously. Not on the colored ones. The colored ones don't come off on your hand. Not much, even rubbing it comes off very little. So it adheres well to the paper. So I liked it, I recommend it. It's not expensive, it's a cheap watercolor. I bought it at the mall. That was today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, it helps the channel a lot. And thank you for watching the video until the end. See you later.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.